Today I'll show you the two ways to make eba. Don't forget to like this video and follow me. The major ingredient here is garri. And for the first method, I'll boil some water. When my water is hot and boiled, I'll pour the boiled water into a bowl and make sure that I leave some space in the bowl for mixing. Next thing to do, of course, I'll add my garri in the boiled water. So what I'll be doing is I'll be spreading the garri so that I don't have a huge concentration of garri in one side and a watery part at the other side. Also, I'll make sure that I still have some water left to allow the garri soak properly. Then I'll cover it and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's time to mix my garri well. If you're still watching, please make sure you like, comment, share, and of course, follow me. You can see that I'm mixing my garri properly just to ensure that I don't have any lump anywhere or any unmixed garri. By the way, please don't ask me the botanical name for garri. Me, I don't know. Garri is garri. Now the garri and the eba is made and ready. You see the nylon I'm showing you? This is a great substitute for cling film. So if you don't have cling film, you can use this. I got this bundle containing 8 nylons for 100 naira. It's really cost effective and efficient. So what I'll be doing is I'll get a bowl for molding my eba well. Then I'll remove the nylon. The nylon has 2 sewn parts. So I'll cut one part of the nylon. Yes, you can see the 2 parts. So this is the part I'll be cutting. You can cut any part, maybe the left or the right. It depends on you. Don't forget to like this video. So after cutting it, I'll wear the nylon in a bowl. And then I'll simply just, scoop my eba from this bowl into the nylon. It's really easy and really nice. So I have to tell you, immediately you are done scooping your eba, please make sure you soak the bowl so that you can easily wash the bowl. So after scooping my eba, all I need to do now is just wrap my nylon all over the eba. This would help me make my eba presentable and even help me store my eba well in my cooler or anywhere I want to store it. Eba is ready. On to the second method. For the second method, I'll pour water in a pot. This time around, I'll be cooking the eba on fire. Next, I'll add some garri, just little garri, and then I'll mix it well with my turning stick. We also call it omorogun. And then I'll cook my eba for like 2 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what my eba looks like. It looks cooked, right? Yes, I'll mix it well just to make sure that there are no lumps. Then I'll add more garri and mix it well. You see, people who use this method, they swear by it. They say it is the best. They say it gives you the best garri texture. Well, before I continue, like I have been saying, please like this video, leave a comment, please share this video, and of course, follow me, subscribe. I love to see you subscribe. I'm just testing to see that my eba is really nice. It's fine. So yes, I'm doing that method again. I'm putting my eba in the nylon and I'm wrapping my eba in nylons just to make it presentable, nice and easy to store. Thank you so much for watching. Will you try this method? Let me know.